for Hyderabad. Next, anything else? Hussain Wali is the person who made this. It seems the Nizam used to come and inspect when it was being made, and he walked in. Mr. Akbar, who is the OSD of this area, was telling us the other day. So he came and asked the labourer about the work or things like that. Then it seems he mentioned, we asked him what's the name of the tank. He said Hussain Charu, because it was that person who was making everything happen. The Nizam thought they will say after the Nizam Chestunnadu. So it's Hussain Charu. So he thought it's an appropriate thing named after him. So named after Hussain Charu.
Hussain Kawali is the seventh Nizam of Hyderabad. He constructed in 1862. Today some 1 lakh rupees. That is the 1862 1 lakh. Remember.
So anything else you want to ask? Any suggestion for Hyderabad, HMDA, how to clean up the lakes? But do come on to the forum for King Hussain Sagar, become members there and contribute ideas. The forum is available for every one of you to join in. There could be a lot of ideas and interaction. If you think you could do something, see, you can say, clean up the lake like this. Every college can do this every day. So many colleges in Hyderabad, if every college does it every one day, maybe you can contribute that way. Things like that you can join.
So Sir said as, what is our immediate role? One is,
come on, answer.
Clean Hussain Sagar Forum lo join Gandhi. Second, please establish a composting center in your Loyola College for solid waste management. Okay?
Okay, Antaleru. Which year? First year, second year? Good, you have 2 more years to go. In LA Local, I do something in your college.
Knowledge.
We do